To get started with Metamask, visit metamask.io and download the browser extension or get the mobile app for Android or iPhone. Next, add the extension to the browser. Then you'll get prompted to get started. If you're new to Metamask, you need to create a wallet. Hit agree. Create a password, write it down somewhere safe. It's going to hold funds, so make it safe. Create the password. Watch the tutorial if you need to. This is just how to secure your wallet and where to put the seed phrase. Write down the seed phrase in order and keep it in a safe place as well, preferably not online. Re-enter the seed phrase in the order it was given to you. Continue. You're all set up on MetaMask. Your account has now been created. If you would like to load money, you would view your account wallet, and that's under account 1, and the 3 dots also shows you your account wallet address, and you can send ERC tokens to the wallet, or you can load ETH with a credit card or from an exchange if you already own Ethereum. You can also fund it directly with ERC20 tokens to that account 1 address. If you add ERC20 tokens and they don't show up, you can manually search them or add their custom token address if it's a smaller cap token. We use Link as an example. Now Link is now in our MetaMask account. If we had Link in our account, it would show up how much Link and ETH we had. Now you guys are fully set up.